Good afternoon, guys. My name is Hayden Fish. I'm a sales representative here at I-5 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat here in Chehalis, Washington. Today we have a Jeep Gladiator Rubicon that I'm going to be showing you some features on. Let's go ahead and take a look. Your cruise control is going to be here on the right side. These arrows right here on the left side are going to be controlling the heads-up display for the vehicle. There's going to be about 8 to 10 different screens going from the speedometer, vehicle information, off-road information, fuel economy, trip information, stop and start, audio, and messages. And also screen setup. You can customize how you want your screen to be. Very nice feature. Also tells you what 4x you're in, if you're in 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, or neutral. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time. If you found this video helpful at all, please leave us a like and subscribe, and we'll have more action coming soon.